If your GMC Acadia backup camera is frozen or showing a black screen, here is how to troubleshoot it. Data shows that a vast majority of these issues are simply software glitches in the IntelliLink system. Let's isolate the root cause before you start replacing hardware. Start by cleaning the lens and performing a hard reset of your infotainment system. If the reset fails, look for corrosion in the liftgate wiring or a failing camera module. You will need a few basic tools like a multimeter to test for power at the camera connector. Try the simple resets first, but leave complex wiring repairs to the professionals. Costs vary widely, but most DIY solutions will save you hundreds on diagnostic fees. If you are comfortable with electrical work, check for voltage at the camera connection. Always disconnect the battery before working on electrical components to prevent short circuits. Don't ignore the problem, as wiring issues can lead to more complex electrical failures. Check your manual for your specific trim level and subscribe for more Acadia troubleshooting guides.